In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add Facebook page cover photo. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then you need to switch to a page, so hit add menu and then tap at that arrow down icon and then select a page from that pop-up. I got 4 different pages here and my main profile, and I can switch to any of that pages, and once we did that we can hit right here. And then we'll be able to hit add cover photo, and that gives us that options. So you can use avatar cover photo, you can upload photo from your camera roll, you can select photo on Facebook, or you can create a collage. So I'm just gonna hit add upload photo, and that opens up my camera roll. From here I can select any photo just like that, and then it gives us the option to drag to move cover photo in that way, and then we can just hit add save. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.